get back to work because it's important. Ang dami natin kailangan gawin. Look, we had a meeting sa Uplift Committee. And marami tayong kailangan pagawa sa mga batas. Like we were thinking may magka-supplemental budget, baka mag-amendahan namin ang mga ibang batas. Ito ay kailangan para makapagbigay tayo ng tulong sa taong bayan dahil nga sa oil crisis. Kung walang session, hindi ko nga maintindihan dahil ang pagkaintindi ko is that ang rules, ng congressman naman ako, nagsenador din ako. Ang rules dyan, bago ka mag-cancel ng session, you have to inform the other house 3 days before you cancel a session. And there has to be a very good reason for canceling a session. I don't think na ihahatid mo ang isang senador para pumunta kung saan siya pupunta. Hindi yata sapat na dahilan yan para i-cancel ang isang session. Isang session lang yun. Ngayon, cancelado na naman ang isang session. Hindi ko nga maintindihan kung paano sila magtatrabaho kung ganito. I'm afraid whatever, all these events that we have been witnessing has thrown the Senate and its leadership the whole Senate into disarray. It has discredited the leadership, and it has stopped the essential business of legislation and government. The 2 other departments continue to work. The executive continues to work. The judiciary continues to work. Why does the legislation decide? Why does the legislature decide to stop working? I don't understand that.